Evergreen, Alabama, where history blooms in the heart of Conecuh County. Nestled in the heart of Conecuh County, Evergreen, Alabama, unfolds as a town where history, community, and natural beauty converge. Join us on a journey through time as we delve into the roots of Evergreen, a place where the past is embraced and the spirit of community flourishes. Evergreen's story begins in the early 19th century, when pioneers and settlers were drawn to the fertile lands of Conecuh County. The town emerged as a hub for agriculture, with a landscape dotted by sprawling plantations and small farms. The arrival of the railroad in the late 19th century marked a transformative period for Evergreen. The town's strategic location facilitated the transportation of goods, fostering economic growth and establishing Evergreen as a vital center in the region. Evergreen boasts a rich cultural heritage, reflected in its historic architecture and landmarks. The Conecuh County Courthouse, dating back to the late 19th century, stands as a testament to the town's enduring legacy. As Evergreen grew, so did its commitment to preserving the architectural treasures that define its character. During the Civil Rights Movement, Evergreen played a role in the pursuit of equality. The community faced the challenges of the era with resilience, fostering a spirit of unity that transcended racial and cultural boundaries. The legacy of this unity echoes in Evergreen's ongoing commitment to diversity and inclusion. Evergreen's scenic landscapes, including nearby lakes and parks, offer residents and visitors opportunities for outdoor recreation and appreciation of nature. The Conecuh National Forest, with its pristine wilderness, adds to the town's allure as a destination for those seeking a connection with the natural world. Today, Evergreen stands as a blend of historical charm and modern vibrancy. The town's downtown area, with its quaint shops and local businesses, reflects a commitment to preserving the small-town atmosphere that has defined Evergreen for generations. Evergreen, Alabama, is more than a town. It's a living testament to the enduring spirit of community, cultural richness, and the harmony of history and progress. As the town continues to bloom, Evergreen invites all to explore its past, appreciate its present, and envision a future where the roots of history intertwine with the blossoms of community life.